Okay, let's talk about some technical stuff now. Can you tell us a little bit about your technology stack and just how you've implemented your solution?
Bobby, do you want to start?
Yeah, I would like just now I can't see the presentation. The video is paused.
Oh, it's on. Yeah, we are on the Polygon side of things about the tech stack, which we did scratch the surface a bit earlier. But basically, yeah, as Bobby did mention in the beginning, we chose Polygon because we like what we've seen in terms of traction and progress with this protocol over the past couple of years, right? And this is on the side of, yeah, always bet on things which hit on their milestones, which make tangible progress, or don't just like share smoke and mirror type of marketing messages that they will do this and that and they will be the latest and greatest, right? Always focus on things that actually deliver on the back of their promises. And so yeah, in long story short, we decided to build this on Polygon. It's fast and cheap. So we love Ethereum. But Ethereum is quite expensive and slow in the moment. So let's hope that the consensus layer or the 2.0 version of this would fix things and would improve things, which wouldn't change our strategy, right? We love Ethereum and we still believe that Ethereum could be one of the major public blockchains out there. But right now, as we speak, Polygon did make greater sense for us because it's faster, cheaper, much more scalable. They're going carbon neutral this year, which is also quite an important thing. The EVM compatibility of it is quite an important technical feature as well, because you're being flexible to integrate and to kind of almost like link yourself with other solutions or other like EVM friendly protocols and chains. And the vast amount of solution, I think right now Polygon are number one in terms of dApps and solutions being developed on any blockchain, which is also an important thing, right? The more the merrier. So yeah.
Yeah, it's very important to be scalable, as Ante mentioned. In our plans is to expand to Avalanche network, to Ethereum. I was even considering Terra, but after the recent events, it's crossed. Yeah, you never know. And
I mean,
yeah.
Interoperability is a great thing, and it's important,
great.
and we'll get there. We'll get there, right? So blockchain right now is almost like what the internet was, like in the early 90s, right? So most probably we would see the development of blockchain in the very same way, like how internet was commercialized back in the days. So it all started with like private or intranets back in the days, which were like one-to-one being connected, which wasn't really ideal and not quite good and streamlined. And at some point, it went through a hybrid phase where like private networks start to kind of interact with each other. So there was like a piece of it, almost like thinking in any company structure right now. You have your very own private network where you streamline your internal processes, but you need to rely on a public network to kind of being able to communicate or interact with other private networks, right? So more or less the interoperability in blockchain would follow suit in the very same way like internet did back in the day. So and we've seen some progress in this fashion, right? We've seen like these bridges being built, which kind of connects different networks, these cross-chain solutions being developed. So more or less the space will get there. So yeah, we'd love to have interoperability in NFT as well, and we'd love to have the flexibility to develop NFTs in different platforms or even in different protocols as well, because if you are an artist, it might make sense to use one solution. If you're an NGO, it might might make sense to use another solution. Or if you are a commercial organization, it might be a third solution, right? So essentially these three would still have to fit into a common layer 0 or a common layer 1. So we will get there, but it's an effort which requires a lot of work and a lot of collaboration between different players, between different technologies. So this would take time. Standardization as well is always slow, as we know this. So we'll get there. I think sooner rather than later, because time moves much faster these days.